Okay, in this example now, we have our Australia-New Zealand regional manager, we have our corporate consolidation person, and then we have someone who is responsible for a P&L. The idea here is how easy PowerExcel can make the collaboration between these three parties because the numbers are universally shared through the cloud with one another as they make updates. It's all ticked and tied together.
Hey, Margaret. Hey, Jaco.
Hi, Jacques.
Hey, Jacques.
Listen, I'd like to trace some numbers through the system. Meaning, Margaret, you have the PowerExcel local template for ANZ, as you'd like to say. Jaco, you have the consolidated PowerExcel worksheet, and I have P&L responsibility. So let's trace New Zealand revenue from end to end. Margaret, what is the New Zealand revenue forecast for April 2020?
Okay, Jacques, it's 29.5.
And I'm checking now on my consolidation sheet. Oh, I see 6.6. Hey, one sec. I need to change the filter from materials to revenue. Okay, there it is, 29.5.
Perfect. Okay, let's trace this through to the corporate P&L. Jaco and Margaret, this is the first time that you're seeing the corporate P&L. It has the entities in the columns and the counts in the rows. I'm going to filter this down so that we can tie out the numbers. Filtering on April and filtering on New Zealand. I'm looking at the revenue line, but still don't see 29.5. It has to do with the fact that we're looking at the consolidated currency, US dollars here. So let me change it back to local currency, and that should do it. Okay, I can see it now. Margaret, one final check. Let's trace materials 6.6 and labor 9.9 back to your workbook.
Okay, Jacques, I see them. Voila. 6.6 and 9.9 for materials and labor.
That's great. Perfect.